Artificial intelligence is changing our way of work beyond our imagination. New AI tools are coming up every single day, and big players like Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and major IT companies like TCS, Infosys, Accenture are investing heavily in AI market. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about all things related to artificial intelligence or AI in short. In this video, I am going to explain what AI is from perspective of a software engineer. This video is curated in such a way that a college fresher can also understand it. But before we jump in, if you are new here, please consider subscribing it. And this video is free for you, but you just clicking subscribe button is really going to help me and this channel. So as usual, let's understand AI in simple manner. The truth is we are already encountering with several examples of AI in our daily lives. From Netflix movies recommendation to Amazon Alexa, AI is like the smart stuff in the computer programs we use every day, such as the voice assistant in our phones like Siri, Google Assistant, Cortana, or the technology that makes self-driving cars possible, or even the smart productivity applications that make our work easier at the office. We are now relying on AI models without knowing it. Well, according to the Oxford Dictionary, artificial intelligence is the theory of development of computer programs that are able to perform tasks which normally require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision making, and translation between languages. In simple words, AI is enabling machines to learn from its experience, adjust to new inputs, and perform human-like tasks. There can be multiple definitions of AI, depending on the different perspective of philosophy or technical. But as a software engineer, we look AI from perspective of a working professional or a technical student. AI is a branch of computer science that aims to create machines or software that can mimic or surpass the human capabilities. Let's understand what do we mean by human capabilities which we are talking here. We humans have 5 primary sense organs in our body: eyes to see, nose to smell, ears to hear, tongue to taste, skin to feel. Through data collected using these sense organs, our brain made a semantic or useful meaning of this data and do analysis, task, and solve problems, learn from previous data which we call experience, and make several decisions. Basically, it is processing this data to get a meaningful conclusion out of this. This capability of finding semantic meaning out of the data and using it for meaningful purpose is known as intelligence. And this capability of intelligence in human is known as human intelligence. So with the help of AI, we are enabling machines to do work intelligently and give us a meaningful conclusion out of data which we are feeding into them. AI is still in a starting phase. Still, it is wondering many of us. Currently, AI is able to achieve some human intelligence capabilities like virtual perception, text analysis, speech, decision making, etc. Now let's understand from a point of software engineer what AI is currently able to do. Till now, AI is broadly used for 4 capabilities which we need to know as a software engineer. First is visual perception. Visual perception is the ability to use computer vision capabilities to accept, interpret, and process input from images, video streams, live cameras. In simple words, computer can look at the pictures, videos, or things through a camera and understand what it is seeing. It's like when you see a cat in a photo, you instantly know it's a cat. The computer can do something similar by using AI to figure out and make sense of what it's looking at. Second is text analysis. The ability to use natural language processing, NLP, to not only read but also extract semantic meaning of text-based data. First, we need to understand this important term NLP in detail. It's like teaching computer to understand and talk with us in the same way we talk with each other. So let's understand this by a very simple example. Imagine you are texting your friend, you type something like "I'm really hungry" what's a good place to eat around here. So you see, this is a natural language, and NLP helps the computer to process and read this message and understand that you are looking for a restaurant, and maybe it can even suggest a few places based on your location. Being able to use NLP means that computer can do much more than just reading words in text. They can also understand what those words mean and find important information in them. Third is speech. Speech recognition means the computer can understand when you talk to it, and it can talk back to you. Just like we have Google Assistant, Siri, Cortana, etc. When the computer listens to what you say and also understand what you mean, together with the ability to apply NLP analysis of text, it can have a chat with you like you are talking to a real person. This chatting with a computer is called conversational AI, in which user can interact with AI agents, which we usually refer to as bots, in much the same way they would with another human. Fourth one is decision making. Imagine if a computer could remember things it learned before and use that knowledge to figure out what to do in several new situations. For instance, it could notice when something is acting weird in your system, like a sensor giving a strange reading, and then automatically do something to stop any problem or damage from happening. How much it will be helpful for us. These cool abilities are now available in regular computer programs, making them easier to use and more helpful in lots of situations that used to happen only in science fiction stories. That's all for today's video. I hope you learned something new and interesting about artificial intelligence. If you have any questions or comments about this topic, or you have any suggestion for future videos, please let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It really helps me a lot. Thank you.